Exploring advanced data visualization techniques in R. In the field of data science, data visualization plays a crucial role in helping analysts uncover insights and patterns within datasets. Why is data visualization important in data science? Data visualization is a powerful tool for data exploration and analysis, allowing analysts to quickly identify trends, outliers, and patterns within datasets. Exploring the power of R programming for data visualization. R is a popular programming language and environment for statistical computing and data visualization. With a rich ecosystem of packages and libraries, R offers a wide range of tools for creating stunning visualizations. Advanced techniques for data visualization in R. Interactive charts. Create interactive and dynamic visualizations using packages like Plotly and Shiny. Data manipulation. Use Blur and Tidy for efficient data manipulation and pre-processing before creating visualizations. Statistical graphics. Leverage the power of R's statistical functions and packages for creating informative statistical graphics. Visual storytelling. Tell a compelling data story by combining text, visuals, and interactive elements in your visualizations. Conclusion. In conclusion, exploring advanced data visualization techniques in R can open up a world of possibilities for data analysts and scientists.